Welcome to Bike Zone, your go-to channel for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most anticipated bikes in the motocross scene, the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. With its high-performance capabilities and rugged design, this machine promises to take the motocross world by storm. Stick around as we explore the features, design, performance, and the legacy behind the 2025 KX500. Introduction to the 2025 Kawasaki KX500. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a modern interpretation of the legendary KX500, a bike that dominated the motocross circuit in the 1990s. Known for its raw power and agility, the KX500 built a loyal following among riders who craved a machine with unparalleled performance. But Kawasaki has listened to the needs of riders and enthusiasts alike, and in 2025, they bring us a refreshed and upgraded version that combines old-school toughness with modern technology. Design and build quality. One of the standout features of the 2025 KX500 is its striking design. Kawasaki has maintained the aggressive and muscular look of the original KX500 while incorporating cutting-edge materials for improved durability and reduced weight. The frame, now made from lightweight but strong materials, ensures better handling and responsiveness on the track. The updated bodywork provides improved aerodynamics, and the iconic Kawasaki green color scheme is as bold and fierce as ever. The bike's ergonomics have also been designed with rider comfort and control in mind. Whether you're hitting the track or taking on tough trails, the 2025 KX500's layout offers an ideal balance between comfort and performance, technology and features. In terms of technology, the 2025 KX500 is packed with modern advancements. The bike features updated electronics, including a digital display that gives riders real-time data on performance metrics like speed, fuel level, and engine temperature. The addition of a revised engine mapping system allows riders to customize their ride, adjusting settings based on personal preference and track conditions. Additionally, the KX500 is equipped with a refined clutch system, making gear shifts smoother and more precise. The upgraded brakes, featuring larger rotors and advanced calipers, ensure maximum stopping power even at high speeds. Power and engine performance. When you think of the KX500, the first thing that comes to mind is power. The 2025 model features a refined two-stroke engine that stays true to its roots but has undergone significant upgrades. Kawasaki's engineers have optimized the engine for improved throttle response, making it easier for riders to control its massive power. The 500cc engine produces more torque and horsepower than ever before, ensuring that this bike excels in the toughest conditions. In addition to its power, the KX500 now boasts enhanced fuel injection technology for more efficient fuel delivery and better throttle control. This new system not only improves performance but also reduces fuel consumption, making it more eco-friendly and cost-efficient. Suspension and handling. Suspension is another area where the 2025 KX500 shines. Kawasaki has equipped this model with an advanced Showa suspension system, featuring fully adjustable front and rear shocks. The front fork is larger and more robust than previous models, providing greater stability during aggressive landings or high-speed cornering. The rear shock is designed for improved bottoming resistance, which helps riders maintain control even in rough terrain. Whether you're hitting jumps or navigating tight corners, the suspension system ensures that the KX500 is smooth and stable, giving riders confidence in their control over the bike. The legacy of the Kawasaki KX500. The KX500 is more than just a bike. It's a symbol of Kawasaki's commitment to creating exceptional machines for motocross enthusiasts. The original KX500 was known for its ruggedness and reliability, and Kawasaki has kept these qualities alive in the 2025 model. While the bike has evolved with the times, its essence remains the same. A powerful, no-nonsense machine designed to conquer any terrain. The 2025 KX500 is a tribute to the legacy of the KX500, which dominated the motocross world during the 1990s. Riders who grew up on the KX500 remember it as a machine that demanded skill but rewarded it with thrilling performance. Now, the new KX500 offers the best of both worlds, timeless power with modern features. Final thoughts. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a stunning reimagining of a motocross legend. With improved power, handling, and technology, it's clear that Kawasaki has put a lot of thought into bringing this iconic bike into the 21st century. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to motocross, the KX500 is sure to impress. It's fast, it's durable, and it delivers an exhilarating riding experience. Thanks for watching Bike Zone. If you're excited about the 2025 KX500 or want to learn more about other top bikes, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more motorcycle content. Until next time, ride safe and keep the throttle wide open.